Hello again, kids and everyone. We are reading another story, The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there lived a mother duck behind a house. Soon she had laid 10 eggs. She used to sit on the eggs so that she could hatch them. After a few days, one by one, all the eggs started to break. Little white ducklings hatched out of the eggs. All the eggs hatched except for one. It was a very big egg. The mother duck continued to sit on the last egg, big egg. After a few days, it also broke from it. Jumped out a gray and an ugly duckling. The mother duck was surprised on seeing her odd baby. She said to herself, "Oh, one of my babies is gray and ugly." But as the ugly duckling was her baby, she treated the ugly duckling nicely. The next day, the mother duck said to her ducklings, "Let us go to the river. Follow me." The mother duck walked forward and all her ducklings followed her to the river. The mother duck jumped into the river and all baby ducklings also jumped into the river after her. The ugly duckling was following at the end. Lastly, the ugly duckling also jumped into the river. Then the mother duck taught the baby ducklings how to swim, while all of them swam and enjoyed together. The ugly duckling followed his mother's advice very carefully and swam better than the other baby ducklings. After some time, the mother duck said, "Quack, quack, let us go to the farm." All the baby ducklings followed her to the farm. There they met many animals. The animals were surprised to see the ugly duckling. The hens pecked on the ugly duckling, and the ducks bit him. Seeing such a sight, the farmer kicked the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling was not happy with this behavior. The next day, the ugly duckling alone went to the river and looked into the water. He saw his reflection and cried, I am so ugly. Everyone makes fun of me." The ugly duckling decided to leave the home, so he went away into the forest. There he went inside a cottage where an old woman lived with a hen and a cat. Here's the image of this, guys. The ugly duckling stayed with them for some time. The woman was surprised to see a gray and an ugly duckling. The cat and the hen also did not like the ugly duckling. Every day they laughed at the ugly duckling and made fun of him. One day, the ugly duckling went to the river along with the cat and the hen. The cat and the hen decided to do a mischievous with the ugly duckling. As the ugly duckling went near the river, they pushed him and he fell into the river. There he saw his reflection again and felt so sad. He decided to leave the cottage and move forward. This is the image 2. The ugly duckling grew young and became a duck as the ugly duck went forward. The seasons changed. It was now winter time. He did not have any place to stay inside and be warm, so he froze almost to death. As the spring came, the ugly duck started moving a little bit. Soon he was fine and walked forward. After walking for some time, he reached near a pond. He felt thirsty and went to the pond to drink some water. At that time, 2 dogs saw the ugly duck. On seeing a strange duck, they started barking at him. The ugly duck got afraid of their barking and jumped into the pond. Soon the dogs went away and the ugly duck was alone in the pond. Suddenly, the ugly duckling saw a beautiful swan swimming in the pond. At first sight, he fell in love with her, but then he remembered that she was an ugly duck. He felt ashamed of himself and bent his head down in shame. As he opened his eyes and saw his own reflection, he was astonished. He could not believe that it was his own reflection, as the reflection was of a handsome young duck. He felt very happy and proposed to the beautiful swan. They got married and lived happily. Here's the third image of this. The moral of the story is that we should never ever discriminate one another due to color or looks. God has made us so we should respect one another. Like the ugly duckling was sad because of his color and ugly body. Everyone made fun of it, but at last God made him a handsome young duck. So you should never discriminate others because of their looks. Love one another and be friendly. So guys, the moral of the story, you should never discriminate others due to their color, looks, or their anything. You should always respect and love one of another and be friendly, because they will be respectful and be kind to you and be friendly. You heard that. And God made us so we can be ourselves, so we won't be lonely. He made us. He made the world and everything, so we should not discriminate others. So see ya guys,